Hi guys, today we're at SeaWorld. It's pretty empty considering all the people that really come, but there's a couple of field trips going on here, so that's the kind of bad thing. But it's kind of empty, kind of. See, usually there would be a lot of people walking through this area.
You guys want to take a picture of the dolphin?
Yeah.
Apparently we're gonna go take a photo with a dolphin. There's the dolphin. We're gonna go to the dolphin before it's too late. So I'll see you guys after. Okay, sorry, I'm back. What the heck? How tall is that thing? I wonder what that is over there. What the heck? Also, wait, what? I have to get it. Wait, are those sharks? Oh my, sharks? That's actually so cool. Okay, bye. Oh my.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, we didn't come to
Ew, that looks gross.
Look, you can use one finger to touch it if you want. You want to touch it?
Oh my. Oh,
Put your
ew.
finger in there and
That's
you
so
touch it.
gross. Ew. So gross. That's actually cool.
Oh, bird.
Oh my gosh. When touching with the shark, please use one finger only and touch gently. Cool. Okay, I need to look at this really fast. So shark and turtle reefs up there.
Yeah, where
Okay.
we go.
You know what too? When you go, remember when we were on the edit profile page, and then we said the username doesn't matter. Because it's
SeaWorld Rescue Junior. Wow, what is that boat? Yeah, I don't think anyone would really want to get wet on this day. Well, I don't.
Some people would.
Cause yeah, but some people would. But to me, it's personally, these attractions. What the? No. Ugh, this ride's closed. I want to go on this one. I think this one first. Rescue Riders. I'm gonna secretly record. Hehe. Oh, this is the shortest line I ever experienced. Look at that. Okay. Wait, can I go by myself?
I don't know. Let's see.
Please remain seated. Keep hands on. Okay. It's about to start. My backpack and here already. Yay.
Now hold on tight as we soar over SeaWorld.
Please down the red lever to go up, let go to go down, and please remain seated at all times.
Whoa, like. Oh my gosh, we're so hot. we're not even close to reading that thing. Wait, we could see the pirate. Oh my, I keep on sliding. Oh. Oh my god. I do not want this red to end. Just not that the fact that I'm like, okay, let me down, please. Let me down. Thank you. That was fast. That was the shortest ride I experienced, though.
Rescue riders. Enjoy the rest of your day at SeaWorld.
Please remain seated.
Next ride. Oh my. Okay.
Let me sit right there. You're gonna sit like that.
Wrap it around your leg.
Yeah, you're gonna try it. Wow. Like it great. We're spinning, almost.
Why is this ride so bumpy?
It's like a Mickey boat. That was fun.
That was actually, that's why this ride's actually my favorite ride. Because I like how it spins. Oh my god. There's a slide over here, and then there's a slide that I just showed you. And then to solve that. Wait, there's more? Oh my gosh, this tag. She coming? Oh, so cute. Oh my.
What is this?
Whoa! Oh my god.
A what?
A seal.
Seal?
Rombostic side-eye. Fortunately, they're cleaning this bouncy house area up, so we're not able to play that. No wonder all the kids are over here. Like, comparison, this one, yeah, this one's very similar. If we just, no. Oh, that one. And 20 minutes later, we are still here. My cousins are really having fun. And yet again, it is still closed. Try.
Yeah, that's high, huh? Yeah.
It is kind of high. Wait, so what ride are we gonna go on next?
You want to go up there?
Let's see.
You wanna go play some games?
How about you want to go on the roller coaster?
Look at that. Look how high that is.
Yeah, no, I wouldn't really want to go on that roller coaster yet.
Mommy and Daddy, okay? Hold on.
Look, see, look. That one rotates up and then back down. Ooh, there's an arcade. Oh my, you didn't tell me that there's an arcade. What?
There's also Sailor Moon dolls in here.
Oh, look at this. They have a PS5 in there. Care Bears. These aren't too long, actually. Big wave. Look at Let's do it. Wow, oh my gosh. What is this? Yeah, I'm not playing that thing. Aliens? Yeah, I don't want to play. I'm just looking, I guess. Oh wait, there's more? Aiden, do you want to see more? There's... Oh, look at that. So cool. What else is there? Oh, there's this. Oh, I always like this game. Yeah, I'm not that strong. Whoa. What the heck?
Oh, it's when it works, it's like so you can lower the hook.
Are you seriously playing? Oh, yes. Lower hook. Dang it. I was getting... You had to ruin it. Oh my gosh. Oh, these look so cute. Oh my. They even have the pom-pom balloon. Oh, that's so adorable. Ugh. That's too adorable. What the heck happened? Someone destroyed that thing. Also, I'm kind of bad at this game. Sonic the Hedgehog. Yeah, I don't think Sonic the Hedgehog would be bad. Try again. Yeah, try again. Fantastic.
In order to get the
Wow. Oh, that's so cool. I like that. It's actually impressive. Yeah, I'm not actually playing it. What the? That's a lot. Dang, subcolor. What in the? Sorry that we're in the arcade. I just like this. There's a new iPad, brand new iPad, AirPods, PS5. Dang, that's a lot of money. And an iPhone. I really want an iPhone. And a Nintendo Switch. Is that Siri? Yeah, that. Xbox controller. Oh, never mind. It's an Xbox controller. That's so cool.
The rides are over here.
Oh, yeah. Okay, we're going to rides. So, let's. Okay, you want to go on some rides? Willy Wonka Chocolate Factory. Okay, I'll see you in the next.
Go straight to that.
When I'm gonna show you some magic. I'm gonna show you. Whoa! If I'm gonna tell you when we're there. Bye. Whoa! Whoa!
Super high.
Oh my god. Wait, this is so fun. Oh my, it feels like I'm about to fall. I know. That was wait, legit. Ow!
You okay?
I hurt my head bad.
Say hi to
Wee.
That wasn't too bad.
Yeah, that was actually so fun. Did you guys think it was fun? Yeah, that was so fun.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ow! I bumped my head once though. Just imagine this compared to that. Yeah, that's gonna be extreme torture for me. Oh, unbuckle. Hold on, I can't. Okay.